Hey guys, remember me when I did the run through on the 1951 Spartanette? It's been restored. Here we go. Hey, I'm Mark with Art of Rving. What's happening? A 1951 Spartanette Tandem. I had done a review on this one before it got restored, and so we're going to do some before and after pictures. You're going to love it. Let's do it. Of course, this is Ethan, American RV Restoration. You've seen him a couple times, and he has done magic on this 1951 Spartanette.
So when this baby came in, we're talking, you could see through the floor, you could see through the ceiling, you could put your whole body through the windows that weren't there. And when we're talking 1951, you just can't go down to Lowe's and get the parts for one of these. So we did research. Not too many people know what a 1951 screen door looks like, let alone the curves of it. So we had to go to work. You know what I remember
that with the sliding wood panel, man.
That's cool. That's cool. Beautiful. Look at that. All handmade, you know. Quality craftsmanship you just don't find anymore, but we restored it, we brought it back. So safety, we had to put a new tongue on it, new jack on it, rewired everything, new safety chain. We did all new windows throughout the whole trailer. All new windows, all new seals, 90% of the catches, all replaced. Custom handmade. We had this hand done by a local seamstress, had new curtains made for it, had the screen door made for it, put on new steps on it. Gotta love that doorbell. Still works too. All right, hey, let's go on in. All right, here we are, 1951 Spartanette. 90% of this wood has been replaced, and I'm talking even the cupboards, the doors. We went through these and completely redid. I'm talking faces and everything. There was a hole here you could have fallen through, okay? So we're talking new subfloor, new insulation, all new belly pan up and down. Then we went over with the flooring. Then we built up this dinette in the front so you could have a little dinette to sit on, or at nighttime fold it down to a bed. Completely 100% handmade custom. Not only did we pull all the windows out, completely rebuild them, but we had to reframe them in because all the trim was gone for this. So we had to custom make all these pockets for the windows, handmade. But we have central heat and air now with these units. We have 15,000 BTUs coming in of hot, or if you want cold air. So it's a livable unit, front and back, all year round.
Nice.
Now, when you look at the kitchen pics, you'll remember a few things. You remember this wasn't even here. This wasn't nothing. So we have a stovetop put in here. We got a new sink. We've got new faucets, new plumbing, more outlets, a custom backsplash that's not even supposed to be in a trailer, stainless steel, still working fan. And one of my favorite things is this retro fridge we retroed inside this to make it look like it's vintage. So this is a brand spanking new fridge. So some of these curves inside this trailer are amazing, and just replicating it was so tough, but we got it done. I want to show you inside this closet.
It's brand new.
Yeah, it is.
Brand spanking new.
So we tried to save all the old stuff we could. We love this light. I had to save it. We got this all back and working. New transformer, new bulbs, everything, new wiring. It's so cool. This thing lights up just like it used to back in the day. This is so cool in 1951. Not only do you have a mirror here, but look at this little storage space right here to accent what we have going on and add a little bit extra to it. Isn't this so cool? 1950. So more curves, as you can see in the back, and it's really hard to work with, but we did it. We made this happen. This is what it looked like back in 1951 with this curve back in for extra space. They were all about the space back then. We know you love the curve, so we got a curve in here for you. This is the bathroom. This is so cool. Check this out. Brand new toilet, brand new plumbing, brand new light fixture, all the window rebuilt, shower rebuilt, faucet rebuilt, all ready to go, but made to look like 1951. So something really cool about this one is the two doors. You've got the door up front and you got the door in the back, and that's something you don't normally ever see. That's what makes this thing unique.
But they're on the opposite sides of the trailer.
They are.
Dude, that is crazy.
So we want it livable. Of course, we got hot water going in here for the shower and the dishes, and we got an induction stove in here, which is very unique in a 1951 travel trailer, but we did trim it out in the all aluminum stainless steel look. So we made this custom dinette. We also put in a little storage space over here so you can store some of your tables and the items when it's put up. Something really unique and really cool. We also wanted to add some storage in it, so check this out. So here at American RV Restoration, we go up, above, and beyond. Just like this vent right here. This is something that we wanted better than what it was back in the day. So we add a little bit more wood for the trimming. We add a wood panel just to make it look a little better.